BMW just killed a feature people have loved for 26 years. No warning, no apology, and nobody expected this. This is the 2027 BMW X5, and it might be the most controversial redesign BMW has ever released. Stick around, because what happens at the 40-second mark changes everything. The X5 built BMW's SUV empire. Every generation, safe, predictable, reliable. This one isn't. New face, new brain, new soul. 5 powertrains, nearly 600 horsepower of electric muscle, and one missing feature fans are furious about. We're breaking down every inch: design, tech, power, safety, and price. But that first shocking change, it's coming up right now. Look at this front end. That's not the X5 you remember. Long horizontal headlights, X-shaped lighting signature, a kidney grille that's been completely reborn, slim, vertical, glowing like a blade at night. BMW calls it Neue Klasse design. The internet calls it insane. Some fans love it instantly. Others say BMW lost its mind. Either way, nobody's scrolling past this thumbnail. And here's the thing, the face isn't even the biggest shock. That's around back. For 26 years, the X5 had one signature party trick: the split tailgate. Tailgate parties, camping trips, that little fold-down bench everyone screenshotted. Gone, deleted, replaced with a single clean liftgate. Fans are not happy. BMW says it's about aerodynamics, better loading, cleaner design. Was it worth the backlash? That's a fight happening in comment sections right now. But that's only part of the story, because inside this thing is where BMW really went rogue. Step inside, and this doesn't feel like an SUV interior. It feels like a cockpit. A panoramic vision display wraps across the base of the windshield. A massive 17.9-inch touchscreen commands the dash. This is more screen real estate than BMW has ever put in an X5. Ever. But, twist, BMW didn't go full digital. Physical buttons survive on the wheel, the door, the console. In 2027, that's basically rebellious. And this is where things get interesting, because one entire seat option just vanished. The third row? Gone. From now on, the X5 is strictly a 2-row SUV. Need 7 seats? BMW's pushing you to the X7 instead. Is that a downgrade? Or is BMW finally letting the X5 be the pure luxury SUV it always wanted to be? Comment your take below. This one's splitting fans right down the middle. But none of this, the design, the screens, the missing seats, matters if the power under the hood doesn't deliver. So let's talk about what this thing can actually do. Here's where it gets insane. BMW is launching 5 powertrains on one SUV. Gas, 6-cylinder, muscular V8, plug-in hybrids, and for the first time ever, a fully electric X5 called the iX5. The iX560 packs a new 141 kilowatt-hour battery, all-wheel drive, 578 horsepower, 593 pound-feet of torque, built on an 800-volt system engineered for insanely fast charging. Nobody expected an electric X5 to hit numbers like this. Can it challenge Tesla? BMW's clearly betting yes. But this changes everything, because performance fans get something too. Rumors point to an M60 xDrive, a serious performance trim for buyers who want their SUV to roar, not whisper. And industry whispers go even further. A full X5 M may follow. Launch control, all-wheel grip, a 2.5-ton SUV that thinks it's a sports car. BMW hasn't confirmed everything yet, but the pattern is clear, and this is where things get interesting again, because none of this comes cheap. Reports suggest the base gas X540 starts around $69,800. Want the plug-in hybrid 50e? Around $77,500. Going fully electric with the iX560? nearly $79,800, almost $10,000 above base. That's steep. But BMW isn't just fighting Mercedes GLE or Audi's Q7 anymore. It's fighting Tesla's Model X too. All three battlefronts at once. Is the price justified? That's where this story lands. Here's the truth. BMW deleted a beloved feature, cut a seating option, raised the price, and somehow this might still be the most exciting X5 in the model's history. Neue Klasse design, 5 powertrains, nearly 600 electric horses, a cockpit built for the future. BMW didn't just redesign an SUV, they rewrote what a 2027 luxury SUV is supposed to be, and every competitor just got put on notice. So here's my question for you. Would you take the radical new design and the missing tailgate, or stick with the old X5 formula? Drop your answer in the comments. I read every single one. If this video gave you the real story before anyone else did, hit subscribe, because we cover the cars shaping tomorrow, today, before the rest of the internet catches up. See you in the next one.